Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your Spotify account, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your Spotify account, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Spotify login page. Click on the login button. Below the password field, find the Forgot Your Password link. Click on this link to begin the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Spotify account. Type your email address carefully. After entering your email, click on the Send button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Spotify. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the link to reset your password. Click on the link to be directed to the password reset page. Create a new password that meets Spotify's requirements. Enter your new password twice for confirmation. After successfully resetting your password, return to the Spotify login page. Input your email address and new password. Click the login button to access your account. If you still can't log in, consider if your account was created through Facebook or another service. In that case, click the Login with Facebook or the appropriate button for that service. Ensure you have access to the account used for logging in. If you suspect your account has been hacked, follow the Need More Help link on the login page. Fill out the form to report the issue to Spotify's support team. Follow any additional instructions provided by Spotify for recovering your account. Once your account is recovered, secure it by enabling two-factor authentication. This will help prevent future unauthorized access. Regularly update your password to keep your account safe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.